guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming on a new camera. I'm so excited. I just recently purchased the Sony A-Alpha 5100. So super excited to use this for this video. And I could tell too, like the glare on my glasses isn't as bad as it was on my other camera. Also, I feel like the quality is a tad bit better, and it also has interchangeable lenses like a DSLR, which I think is pretty cool too. Enough about my camera. Let's get to the real reason on why I'm filming this video. So, it's that time of the month. Yes, my December Ipsy bag finally came in, and I'm super excited to show you guys what I got in my bag this month. So, let's open it up. Okay, so I'm gonna take everything out. I can't get over the foiling on this. Like, I absolutely love the foiling for this package. It's so cute. Okay, so the first thing I see out of my glam bag are these The Cream Shop face masks. So, for some reason, I thought they were going to be like small packets because on the preview that it shows you, it looked like they were smaller packets. But I guess not. They're bigger, which is great. So, this blue one is an Ultra Moisturizing Jojoba Oil Sheet Mask. And it has a little snowman on it. So cute. Then this one is a Detoxifying Lemon Sheet Mask. And it says, "Oh dear." And it's by the Creme. I don't know. And the next one is infused with peppermint oil, treats troubled acne prone skin. And this one's called Peppermint Coca Sheet Mask. Now, I gotta say, the packaging on this is super cute. So, like, look at the little reindeer, the coffee, and the snowman. I love it. Alright. Now, let's take a look at the Ipsy bag. So, I absolutely love this month's Ipsy bag. Let me show you guys what last month's looked like, and I did not really like that one at all. Okay, I didn't like last month's Ipsy bag. It was purple with black hearts on it. I hate purple. Well, I don't hate it. I just don't like that color. So I definitely like this with the glittery sparkles and a little tassel at the end. And then the back just is a matte black, and it says Ipsy right there. Super cute. I love it. Very festive. Yeah, I love it. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Ooh, and the inside's like a hot pink. It looks orange on this camera, but it's a hot pink. Okay. It says, "Be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. Check inside for a holiday gift to you. A bonus 6 glam bag product." Ooh. Let's see. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out is this Rainbow Crystals Liquid Mineral Strobe Multi-Use Highlighter. I'm all for highlighters, guys. I love highlighters. I think this is the extra thing in the glam bag because they didn't put this on the list. Let's take a look real quick. Let's see. Ipsy. Oh no, wait. This isn't the extra one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what's extra about it? I have the same amount that I got. Okay. Anyways, so this is the highlighter. Ooh, look at that autofocus. Yup. And this is the Pacifica Rainbow Crystals Liquid Mineral Strobe. Let's swatch that right here. I love highlighters, so let's see. Ooh. Whoa, I like this. Look at that, guys. You can't see it too good in this, but it reminds me of the Jeffree Star. Like, that's how good it is. I like it a lot. Definitely going to be using this tomorrow. So the next thing we have is a Steve Laurent. It just says Steve Laurent. That's the packaging right there. There we go. Yep. I love this camera. Like, my other camera didn't do focusing like that. Like, I had to put my hand behind it for it to focus. Okay, looks like this is like a lip gloss. I definitely am not a fan of lip gloss. Could try it, but yeah, no, I don't like it. Ugh, it's so sticky. So, 100% won't be using this one. Yeah, I don't like it. I'm not a fan of lip gloss, so I won't be using that. Ugh. Okay, the next thing I have, which I'm super excited about this, but I gotta say it looked way bigger on their website. It's the Gimme Brow Benefit eyebrow thing. Super cool. I was excited about this. But I hate how small it is. Like, they made it look like it was, like, huge. Yeah, like, what the fuck? This is, like, enough for one eyebrow. Look how small that brush is. Look how small that is. Like, what? Okay, I don't know about that. Like, if you're gonna sample products, at least make it big enough to where, you know, I could use it. Okay, the next two things are this Farrah brush. When I hear the name Farrah, I think of Teen Mom Farrah. So I don't know if Farrah is a really good name for your brush line, but okay, that is a brush. I like it. It's very fancy. It's a blending brush. The only reason why I know that is because my sister Jackie told me. I think it's very fancy. It reminds me of like an art brush, but yeah, pretty cool. I like that it's gold. It's very classy looking. Now the next thing I have is, I think this is a +1 thing that I got. The Luxie Precision Blending Brush. So look at that. Yeah, I don't know. That's it. That's pretty cool. New brushes, cool. I'm very excited about this highlighter because look how big that is, guys. Like, oh my god. That's like a good amount of highlighter. Alright guys, that is it for this Ipsy bag unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and please go subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 500 subs and I would love your guys' support, and yeah, so make sure you guys subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.